Hello, everybody. This is Garth Rose, the GenRocket CEO, talking to you about synthetic test data automation. Who's GenRocket? We've been around for 10 years, and that's allowed us to really refine our platform to be a very mature, powerful, and flexible synthetic test data platform. 50 plus customers, the only patent for synthetic test data generation. Most of our customers are really large and have complex data challenges. Why synthetic test data automation? Well, traditional test data management helps customers comply with data privacy laws and accelerate test data provisioning, but GenRocket adds to that by allowing customers to maximize their test data coverage and solve really complex test data challenges. So we're really focused on enterprise objectives in testing and development environments, and how we maximize test data coverage is allowing customers to design whatever data they need. So the obvious data like positive and negative data, unique permutations. Stateful data, we mean by that it can be in a particular condition or state that's required in a complex workflow, always with referential integrity. We can apply rules to condition and control the data, and the volume, you can get whatever volume you need, small to huge volume in any format, and of course delivered to on-prem environments and also to the cloud. Minimizing test cycle time means what? It means that instead of using spreadsheets and manual methods, I can now use a tool like GenRocket to reduce days to literally minutes. So this can be a self-service approach. We can eliminate the old request and wait. We can get fresh, secure data in real time. We can generate the volume that we need, and we can directly integrate the data if we want to into our CI/CD pipeline. Traditional test data management, let's take a look at that. So we get a production database, our application, and what we do is we copy that data, and we have a masking algorithm that produces secure copy of that customer application or agent or quote application into a non-prod lower environment. Then what we do is as a quality engineering or developer, we look for the data that we need and we integrate in that test case. And of course, the data is realistic and has referential integrity. But what our enterprise customers tell us is that there's a lot of data gaps. They don't have unique data, negative data, all the permutations and combinations they need. The volume isn't there. The data in the particular condition isn't there. Dynamic data, perhaps because it's across many different applications. And that's where GenRocket comes in with synthetic test data automation. So the model starts off similar, where we're looking at a production application or database or copy. But instead of using the data, we leverage the metadata. And we set up a test data project. That project becomes the template. We can version it, so we can have version 1 and version 2. And we can also lifecycle manage it so that we can stay up to date with that particular application or database. Then we're able to build these different test data cases against that customer project or whatever the application is, for load, for performance, for unit testing, integration testing in these different test data cases. And the benefit of that is it not only gives us realistic data with referential integrity, but also all of the data variety that we need to help the enterprise customer solve their challenges. So the business benefits are very compelling. Instead of spreadsheets or manual or creating scripts, customers now can reduce the cost, reduce the risk because it's all secure data, and have very much faster cycle time, better coverage and productivity.